One of the biggest style lessons that I've learned throughout the years is the importance of thinking outside the box when putting together an outfit. You know how sometimes you look at your closet and you just feel uninspired? Maybe you already have a well-crafted wardrobe, you've got your basics down, you even have a few statement pieces, but you're so used to wearing your clothes in just a few specific ways that sometimes it feels like you're stuck in a style rut. Well, let me tell you, first of all, there are probably dozens, if not hundreds of ways to wear any given item in your wardrobe that you haven't thought of before just because you're used to wearing it in that one way. And second, do not worry because I got you. Today, we're going to break that habit loop, inject some pizzazz, some coolness into your outfits, and learn how to take your looks from basic to badass. So for today, I've picked out 7 wardrobe basics, 7 essentials that are commonly found in most men's wardrobes, except I'm going to challenge myself to style them in very different, more unique ways than you normally would. For each wardrobe essential, we'll look at how we can turn a basic outfit using that item into a cooler, more badass outfit. All of the styling tips that I'll go over can of course be applied regardless of the brand you're wearing, but for this video, the 7 essentials that we'll be using are from British retailer TM Lewin, who is sponsoring today's video. TM Lewin has been around for over a century now. Yes, I said that right, a century, and they specialize in smart, timeless menswear classics. We're talking trend outlasting pieces that your parents wore, that you can still wear today, and will still be able to wear 10 years from now. Let's get into it. First off, we have the classic white cotton button-up shirt. When you think white shirt, most often you think of a formal look, right? Maybe some chinos or trousers, dress shoes, but in reality, you can absolutely dress down a white shirt with a more casual outfit. Swap your pants for jeans, your dress shoes for sneakers, and wear your shirt unbuttoned over a tank top and add on some jewelry for a super casual, wearing the shirt from last night's party kind of look. Alternatively, for a more dressed up look that is also fashion forward, try going for an air tie. Let me explain. Button up your shirt all the way up, except you're not wearing a tie, and you can pair that with some smart trousers, boots, and some statement jewelry worn over the shirt for an edgy look that says, I work in fashion and I dress the part. One thing I like doing is leaving just the last button undone at the bottom of the shirt. Don't ask me why, I just feel like it allows the shirt to sit better on your hips. These are just 2 ways you can style your white shirt in a different way than your standard office wear, but I encourage you to experiment even more because there is so much you can do with a white shirt. What I like about this shirt in particular is that it's made from a twill fabric, and I definitely think it helps to have some sort of texture to the fabric rather than for it to be that pristine baby smooth surface, so that it lends itself more easily to these more casual looks. The dad vibes coming off from the HalfZip Sweater are unparalleled, but here's how to make it cool. Swap your light wash jeans for some monochromatic trousers, and your sneakers for some sleek boots. You can also tuck in the sweater to instantly change up the feel of the outfit. The key here is that you're pairing 3 items that each bring a different vibe to the table. The HalfZip is more classic but casual and gives off those dad vibes. The trousers, they elevate the outfit because of the structure they provide with a press crease, but the wider fit makes them a little bit more fashion forward. And the black leather Chelsea boots, they bring that edgy feel to complete the look. One thing I like to do as well is to lower the zip of the sweater just enough to reveal some subtle jewelry. This HalfZip is actually TM Lewin's first machine washable lamb's wool sweater, which makes it super easy to take care of. For a colder weather option to this look, I would add some sort of long coat in the same colorway to this, like this navy trench coat from TM Lewin. Going for navy here as well really helps to streamline the look and guide the eye vertically, which can be good if you want to appear slightly taller or slightly slimmer. Number 3, the blazer. I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with blazers. We've all gone through the smart casual blazer, shirt, and jeans phase in our life. You may even be in that phase right now, and there's nothing wrong at all with that look. But here is how you can spice it up a little bit without taking anything away from the formality of the outfit. I call it the TTT, turtleneck and textured trousers. I love this combo because say you're going somewhere the dress code is smart casual and blazers are the expected type of jacket to wear, this still fits the dress code, but I think it even looks more elegant. The turtleneck just looks sharp, it elongates your neck, frames your face, and having that texture on the trousers makes it very clear that you're not just wearing the wrong trousers that don't match your jacket, and it gives the outfit more depth. It makes it all more intentional. In terms of color choices, a solid option is to take the color of your jacket and use those throughout the rest of your outfit. So for example, for this burgundy and gray blazer, I went with gray wool trousers and a burgundy turtleneck, finished it off with Doc Martens. And for this beige and slightly blue blazer, I chose to go for a tonal outfit with different shades of brown and anchored it all with some minimal white sneakers. By the way, I do have to commend TM Lewin on these blazers though, because this is literally the first time I've tried a blazer that fits me pretty much perfectly off the rack. I've always had to go made to measure for suits and blazers, otherwise they're always too long. But they actually have the option for you to choose the length of the blazer between short, regular, and long. I went for a short, and it literally fits perfectly across the chest and shoulders, the length is spot on, and the sleeves are almost perfect. I might shorten them just by half an inch or something, but overall, the fit of these is just very, very impressive. So if like me, you struggle to find well-fitting blazers, either because you're on the shorter end or because you're very tall, definitely recommend checking these out. At number 4, we have another all-time classic pair of pants for the smart casual looks, Chinos. Picture Jim, the marketing coordinator's uniform. Your everyday office wear, but make it casual. The light-colored chinos, dress shirt tucked in with a belt, and low-top sneakers. Undoubtedly, chinos are a natural fit for this look, but you can also take your chinos out of the office onto the streets and wear them in a variety of different styles. Swap your dress shirt for an oversized tee, a relaxed fitting cardigan, add on a cool necklace, and you have yourself a look that doesn't scream try hard, but looks put together and stylish for any casual event. Keeping with the oversized vibe, you can also try an oversized knit, such as this oversized turtleneck here for a simple, cozy look for that holiday family gathering where you want to be warm, cozy, and huggable. I personally find chinos much more comfortable than denim, so I'd rather wear that if I'm going to be sitting around in them for a long time. Or option 3, swap the knitwear for a hoodie for when you're going out with the boys or with a cute girl, and that way, you can give her your hoodie when she's feeling cold. She'll appreciate that. Chinos can truly be super versatile, so don't be afraid to experiment with different aesthetics. When I think long sleeve polo, I immediately picture golfer, with the polo tucked in the chinos and the low top sneakers. However, you can definitely style it in a less conventional way. Hear me out. Swap the chinos for some grunge looking skinny jeans, the sneakers for leather boots, add a leather belt, open up the buttons to reveal some silver jewelry, and voila, you have yourself a completely different vibe, and I think it actually works well. It's more of a rock star meets preppy aesthetic, and the addition of jewelry really ties it together. Add on a cool jacket in the same color palette, and you're now rock concert ready. At number 6, we have the Mac. And no, not the computer. The Macintosh is a timeless rain jacket commonly worn over business wear, but you can also rock it in more fashion-forward ways. Try pairing it with a turtleneck, wide leg trousers with a full break over some chunky sneakers, and a necklace worn over the turtleneck. Yes, if you haven't noticed already, I've been loving wearing jewelry over my turtlenecks. I have to say, I think this jacket is my favorite piece from TM Lewin's selection. The fit is great, it feels tailored but still roomy enough to accommodate for a chunky knit underneath. The pattern makes a subtle statement without completely overpowering the rest of the outfit, and it is very versatile. It actually looks great as an outer layer on top of some of the previous outfits shown with very different styles, such as the white shirt air tie look with the striped trousers. Love the clashing striped and check patterns here, by the way. This whole look gives me major Korean street style vibes, and I'm all for it. Or you could even wear it with the rocker / preppy look with the polo, skinny jeans, and boots. The versatility of the Mac really is unparalleled. Arguably the most common type of sweater, everyone has at least one crew neck in their wardrobe. And although a classic sweater and jeans combo looks just fine for the Sunday barbecue, one way to elevate the whole look and make an intentional statement is to go head to toe monochrome. In this case, swap the jeans for gray wool trousers, the white sneakers for some gray ones, and finish off with a third layer, like this gorgeous belted coat. It's never mandatory, but a simple chain or pendant necklace can really help make the look more interesting. One thing I particularly like like about this sweater is that even though it's lambswool, it's actually surprisingly comfortable on the skin and I don't feel itchy at all. No need to sacrifice function for form here. A few simple changes like this can take a basic outfit that would have gone unnoticed to a more elevated one that might cause a few heads to turn in a good way. Thanks again to TM Lewin for partnering with us on this video. I'll put links to their website and to everything else I wore in the description below, so feel free to check it out, guys. And to my short kings out there, highly recommend the blazer with the short length. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope you got some new ideas to style your wardrobe basics in different ways. And if you did, just gently tap that like button for me. Help support the channel. Consider subscribing if you're new here, and keep on dressing with intention. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Ways that it feels like you're stuck. Blah, blah.
Okay, recording.
Consider subscribing if you're near. Blah, blah. So for battery.